Now we will see like how we can manage the reviews, the talent review that we set up mainly. Okay. Mainly talent reviews will enable you to get the details or the information. Okay. Like if you want to evaluate any employee, okay, based on the
Mm.
talent, okay, like right now we were saying skills, experience, and all. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So for these things, like we have the setup. If in case if you want to review based on whatever skills and experience they have, for that we use managed talent review. Okay. Like as you were asking, like how this is related to performance. Okay. So
Mm.
there is not one thing. Maybe I want to get like right now we were just saying if the evaluation may be by the performance, okay, by potential. There might be a scenario where they want to do it based on the skills and experience as well. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
That scenario, this will come into picture.
Okay.
Okay. So for that, there are different talent review rules that you can create, like whether you want to go it maybe for skills, experience, or maybe performance. So for that, we have a task like create talent. See, you can see create talent review rule. You can define a rule. If you want to create a talent pool, you can. So
Mm.
for an example, right now, we'll just show you the talent review rule. Okay. Like this is the one that we saw. Okay. We saw some status like completed. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So what this is going to do, let me see if there is anything as performance. See, if you want to just review based on the performance management, okay, performance management metrics or anything, you can use this. Let me see if they have already set up for skill. Okay, like the one that I was creating, like German proficiency. Okay, the one that you show. If in case if
Mm.
I want to review based on like what are the employees that is frequent fluent in German language, I want to use them in some project. Okay, so we can
Mm.
review, like we will have so many people. If we want to review them and we want to align them on some project, we can create it. Okay, so we can create this rule. Okay, so creating this rule will not be enough. There will be some following tasks that we have to do. Like for an example, once I have created a rule, okay, I can create a template like in which way I want to get executed. For that, we have a task name as create review template. And see, it will ask you like to which employees you want to get this thing assigned. Like here you can
Mm.
see regular full-time employees with service who has service months more than 6 months. Okay, you can just save this. And if there is any order in which you want to get this executed, okay, you can just define the group title and you can define the specific section in which you want to do it. Okay, maybe if this is related to certifications, award, and activities or anything.
Mm.
Okay, for example, let's not select this. Do you have anything related to languages? Yeah, we have one language. So see here we have to define the language ability type. Okay, like we want speaking or whatever we want, or maybe we want someone who is fluent in speaking, reading, writing, or whatever you want to select.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, the alert can be ignored. So like this, what we can do is we can first of all create the talent review rule. Okay, after that we can create this template, talent review template. After that, start. You can do start talent review for any worker based on this. Maybe for organization or worker. Let me select someone here. Mark. Someone named as Mark. You can select here the one that we have created. What was that name? I think it was named with the Raj, if not, I'm not wrong. So this is how you can set up, okay, talent review. So now this, okay.
Okay.
So this is now at his level. Let me do his proxy. So you'll be able to see like what we are exactly doing here. I hope you're aware about the start proxy thing. Start
Yeah.
proxy is nothing but we are entering into someone's profile, and
On
this
behalf
thing we can only do in the sandbox, preview, and implementation tenant. This is not possible in production tenant. If you go into his inbox, that will be pending at his level.
Mm-hmm.
See, this is asking. So looks like he's proficient in this one. I can add German as well. At what level he is. So we can define that. And we can just submit this. Once you submit this, it will go to the next level. So you can see this talent review. This is triggering a business process. Okay. Let us see like which business process this is triggering, because we have not set up any business process. Like this is triggering this business process, and as per this business process, it will go to update the talent profile, and after that it will go to the manager. Okay, due date is 1 week, and this is the completion step. So if in case we want in some different way to behave this business process, we can maintain that and we can do it. Okay, so this was about how we can maintain the talent review. Okay, how we can create a talent review rule. After that, the first step was we'll create the rule for whom we want. Okay, after that we'll create a review template. Okay, after that we can like the end users can do the talent reviews for different employees that they want. So this is more about if I want to review any specific skill or anything of any employees. Maybe it can be company wide. Okay, it can be related to a specific organization or department or anything. This is the BP that has to be configured. Okay, right now they have 3 steps which is there. So this is more about how mainly we have to set this thing up and we have to do it. Okay. And regarding all these tasks that you are seeing regarding the talent review template, so for each and every one, there is a security policy. So we saw talent review. Next is if we want to set up any employee review. Okay, how we can do that. Okay. So now we will see for employees. For that we have maintain. What is the task name? Maintain review
accommodate as much as possible. So that we can see that we were no.
I'm not sure why we do not have access to this. Yeah, configure employee. Okay, so mainly you can see this disciplinary actions that you can see here. So we can create the various review type. Like here you can see disciplinary action, individual development plan, performance improvement plan, performance review. So we can create all this. Okay, here you can see disciplinary action, individual development plan. We can create our own as well. Okay, apart from all this that you can see here.